Hey everyone, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight we are going to make Chinese chicken salad wraps. So it's a salad that you could eat all by itself if you would like to, or we're going to put ours into a piece of lavash bread, which is a very thin bread, very much like a tortilla. I'm going to be using the Joseph's lavash bread, so very much low in carbs. Half of a sheet is, I believe, 4 grams of net carbs. So definitely in the budget when managing your carbs. So we're going to make a nice little wrap for our supper tonight. So these are the ingredients that you're going to need. I have 3 cups of shredded cabbage with carrot in it. And then to that, I added 2 cups of shredded purple cabbage. So that is the salad portion. If you aren't a fan of cabbage, you can use shredded romaine if you'd like. That would be another option instead of the cabbage. And then I have our Joseph's Lavash bread. You can purchase this online on Amazon or here in Fargo, North Dakota. It is available at the Hornbacher's stores and Cashwise stores here locally. The package comes 4 sheets to a bag, and half of a flatbread is a serving size. So this is great as a tortilla for tacos. It's great for what we're going to use it tonight for. It's great to make a lavash, which is coming soon. I'm going to make a lavash bread for you guys at some point this week. So our Joseph's lavash bread. Then we have 2 cups of leftover rotisserie chicken that I've already, it's already kind of chopped up, but I chopped it up into finer pieces. Half a cup of cilantro, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 3 teaspoons of ground ginger, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, or which is the equivalent to 3 cloves of garlic, and then 2 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener. So what we're going to start out with is making our dressing first, and so we're just going to dump all of our liquids into our bowl here. If you have a salad jar that you can mix your salad dressings in, you can certainly use that just to shake it all up. That's definitely easier if you would rather do that. I'm just going to whisk mine together in a bowl here. Our 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I figure we're in the midst of the summer and we're going to want fresher items, and so this is why I chose this one tonight, and it smells incredible. I've got the 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Now, sesame oil goes a long way. It has a very potent flavor profile, so don't get too heavy-handed with it or everything's going to taste like sesame seeds. Our 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you're not a major fan of olive oil, you can use avocado oil or any light cooking oil. I really try to avoid like canola oils or vegetable oils. They're still hydrogenated, which can be problematic with our heart health, and so you always want to aim for the olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil are going to be your better cooking oils. Our 3 teaspoons of ground ginger. Now, if you want to do some fresh ginger, you can certainly do that as well. And then our 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic, and our 2 teaspoons of the monk fruit sweetener. You can use granulated swerve if you would like as well. And you're just going to whisk this all together then. Until it's all good and combined. And then we're just going to set this aside here and let it marinate for a few seconds while we put together the main portion of the salad. So I'm going to bring my cabbage over, and we're going to add to it the 1/2 cup of cilantro. Now, I know a lot of people are like, ugh, cilantro, I don't like it. It gives me a soapy taste in my mouth. Did you know that that's actually a genetic enzyme that causes that? Not everybody has that. And so if you're not a fan of cilantro, there may be a reason why. So a 1/2 cup of cilantro, and then we're going to add in our 2 cups of cubed chicken here. This is quite a bit of chicken compared to the amount of cabbage, and so I'm just gonna toss this together at first and see what comes up. And feel free to use your hands. If you have some salad tongs, you certainly can do that too, of course. Wash your hands before we cook always, and I did do that before we started the video here and as I was prepping. We're gonna just toss this together. And then we're gonna take our dressing, and you're gonna wanna add a little bit at a time. Toss it again, so we're gonna do about a half a cup of it, or just a half portion of it here. And then again, you just wanna toss it. Get all the flavors spread around here. Smells great. I'm excited. I'm hungry tonight. And we're going to add the second half then. That way everything is nice and evenly coated. Very good. And there you have it. So this could be a complete meal in of itself with the salad here, or we're gonna add ours to our lavash bed here and make a little roll. And so I'm just gonna take some of the salad, put it down the center here, and we're just gonna roll it up just like as if you were a tortilla. Make a cute little pocket and wrap it all around. And there you go. You got a beautiful little chicken salad wrap. This is your sweet deal for tonight. I'll have your nutrition facts information for you available on the recipe itself at the end of this video. I hope you have a great evening. Bye-bye.